How to enable or disable use 24-hour format or AM/PM on the Samsung Galaxy A15. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now on the home screen, swipe down at the top. Then in the quick settings panel, tap on the settings icon. Now we scroll down and tap on general management. Then tap on date and time. After that, we go down to the last option and tap on use 24-hour format. So tap on that to turn it on. Now you can see here when I turn on use 24-hour format, it is 14:50. If I switch it off, it will show 2 o'clock and 50 minutes. And that's it. So that is how you can turn on or turn off use 24-hour format or a 12-hour format. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.